real numbers and their decimal representation. Now here we often face these, we get these type of problems. First problem is express 0.235 bar in form of P by Q. You see here the bar is on 3, 5 only, 3 and 5 there is bar. That means the value of this number is 0.235 dash dash dash. So you have to express this in form of P by Q. P by Q is a rational number. This is a decimal representation and you have to convert this in form of P by Q, that is the rational form. Now let x is equal to this much. Here you see it is 235. Then again 35. 35 is repeated. So this part we require before decimal. This part 235 we require before that decimal. So you multiply it by 1000. 1000 multiplied by x is equal to 235. Then 0.35. Then 35 repeated. Dash dash dash. Now you have 2 here, so this repeated part should be same. The remaining can bring that side, this side. So 10x is equal to, you will take 10x. 10x is equal to 2.35. Then again 35 dash dash dash. We multiply them in such a way that the after decimal we get similar values in both the cases. This can only be done if we multiply it first by 1000 here, 1000x, then by 10 here, so 10x is equal to this. Now subtract this side also, both sides you subtract. So you will get 1000 minus 10 is equal to 990x is equal to 233. 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. So here after decimal point is here. So after decimal there is nothing. No number is there after the decimal, that is 0, 0, 0 all. So we can write it as 233 only. So x is equal to 233 upon 990. This is value of x, but we have to find the value of this in form of P by Q. Therefore 0.235 bar on 35 only is equal to 233 upon 900. Next problem is find an irrational number between this and this. As we know 990, it should be 990. As we know, an irrational number is a number that cannot be expressed in form of P by Q. And you see the numbers in form of P by Q, that is rational numbers, they can be of two types, either terminating or non-terminating. Terminating means that when you divide the numerator by denominator it will come to an end, and non-terminating means that when you divide numerator by denominator it will not come to an end. And it is repeating also. So either it is terminating or non-terminating or repeating. Non-terminating as well as it should be repeating. Same thing should be repeated. Maybe two decimals, two digits are repeated, 3 digits are repeated, 4 digits. As you see, so in this question, 2 digits were repeated, 35 was repeated. So that is a rational number. Now here it is, you have to find irrational number between this and this, 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now these two numbers both are rational numbers because they are terminating, non-terminating and repeating. So 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, again 142857 dash dash dash, so it will be here after this. Similarly, that is 2, 7. So here for this representation we apply a bar over here. Similarly, 2 by 7 is equal to this. Now we have to write certain numbers between these two which are neither terminating nor non-terminating or repeating. So what we will do, we will write a number in between them, that is 0.142 and 0.285. That means any number that is irrational also. That means it could be 0. 0.15, 155, 155, 1 dash dash dash. Now this number is not coming to an end. This means it is non-terminating, and it is nothing, is the same thing is not repeated. Suppose 1 5, it should be 1 5, again 1 5, again 1 5, again 1 5, but it is what? 1 5, then 1 5 5, then 1 5 5. So the same thing is not repeated. Therefore such a decimal representation is an irrational number. Similarly, you can write different type of numbers in between this. The number should be lying between this and this. That is 0.1, 6, 1 6, 1 6, 1, and so on dash dash dash. This is also neither terminating, it's not coming to an end, nor non-terminating or repeating. Therefore it is not a rational number. Then all these are irrational numbers. So you can find infinite number of irrational number, so between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7.